How to fix Instagram keeps crashing on your Android phone or even your iOS. So all what you have to do to fix it is very easy and fast. Go to settings on your phone and go to the apps manager as you can see right here. Go to apps and then search for Instagram between all the apps that you have right here and click on it like this, and now go to the permissions right here. Make sure to enable the permissions only that you need. For example, if you don't need the microphone or the camera or even the location, all what you have to do is disable them, and then go back and go to the storage option and clear data and cache, and then go back again and click on force stop. Now all what you have to do is the last step. Just restart your phone and open Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.